So we're back here at our front sacristy there by the sanctuary. Today I want to show you our Mass kits that we have. These are kits that we take to say Mass outside of the church, particularly to the senior living facilities around the area. The kits have everything that's needed to say a Mass, right? We've talked about the purificator and the corporal, the towel for the washing of the hands. But then in the kit, we have candles, we have water, we have wine, we have the hosts that are in a ciborium, and we have, of course, a chalice. We have a lighter to light the candles, and then, of course, we have the obligatory crucifix, which is always used at the Mass. So these kits, some of them have been provided by the church, but some have special meaning for us. This kit was donated to me by the Knights of Columbus in St. Edith Stein, the place I did my pastoral year, in memory of one of the knights, Sir Knight Samuel Moore. And so I use this kit primarily with my prison ministry. Now, in the prison, they won't let you take in a nice little kit like this. So I have a plastic bag, right, that I take the things into the prison. You know, we go to all sorts of different places with the Mass kits, right? I take a Mass kit along with me on our pilgrimages. You know, one of the most interesting places that I've done Mass, it was outside. It was in Galilee. It was at the River Jordan, but it was at a site that was run by Protestants, right? So there wasn't a good place to do Mass, so they just put us out into the field. We had a little small altar, just tables that weren't even knee-high, that we used as the altar. And I was presiding there at Mass, and right in the middle of presiding at Mass, two big dogs wandered up and started sniffing around the altar there. So you have all sorts of different experiences. You know, normally we say Mass here in the sacred place in the church, but we take Mass everywhere with us, taking the Lord out with us. I go out on Boy Scout retreats. I've taken them out into places all around to bring the Mass to the people.